How's it going, guys? I found a video here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys. This is going to be teaching you how to set up a Minecraft 1.8.8 server. And I'll also be showing you how to port forward it so that you can play multiplayer with your friends and all that. Because otherwise, it would kind of suck if it was just if only you could go on it. So, sorry, I'm eating carrots. Right. First thing you're going to do, open up your web browser and go to minecraft.net. Just type in again, show you guys, just type in minecraft.net. Let that load. And you come, and this will come up. So, I'm going to already bought the game, download it here, click the download it here button. And here it's going to say Minecraft_server.1.8.8.jar. I'm going to download that. Let that download. It takes 20 seconds. It goes very quickly, less than 20 seconds. So yeah. Once you've done that, then we shred that onto your desktop. So yeah, and here you're going to right click, new folder. You're going to name this folder Minecraft_server. You have to name it that. And drag the Minecraft server 0.1.8.8.jar right in there. So then, bada bim, bada boom. Right now what you're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and open up text edit. There you go. You need to, boom. You need to press new document. It'll come up with this. Now, this is the most important. This is a really important thing. You need to go into format and make plain text. You have to do that. Right. So now you're going to go. I'll put a link in the description, by the way, to the Minecraft page and all this kind of stuff. So here we're on minecraftgamepedia.com. This is where you need to come next. You're going to scroll down in this. Scroll down. Come on. It's going to say that. You need to go right here where it says this line of coding here. You're going to want to copy paste it. Command C to copy and Command V to paste on the Mac. And it's Control C on the PC and Control V. That's what it is on the PC. So yeah, it's just Command on Mac and Control on PC. So once you're done with that, boom. Now you're going to go File, Save, and you need to name this exactly start.command. Okay, you need to save it to the desktop. Okay, you can close that out now. So it'll either say start.command or just start, and when it just says start, open up your drag across server, drag it into there. So yeah, now here comes a pretty important part. You can open up terminal. There you see. Boom, open that up. Here we are. You want to type in chmod space a plus x space. Don't forget the spaces. And then drag the start.command file, well, text thing, start.command, in, wait, I didn't drag it, no. Drag the start.command into here. Then press enter. Right, now that's done, you can just close that up. And you want to open up the Minecraft_1.8.8.jar file here. Right, double click it, open. Let it open up, and you'll see the magic happen now. Watch this. Watch what's going to happen if it happens. What's going to happen? Come on. There we go. See, logs appeared, a file called logs appeared. For some reason the other file wasn't opening up. Let's try that again. There should be another file that pops up. No, it won't say logs, it will say, it'll be like a EULA text. You'll see it in a second. There we go. Yeah, so I'll come up with that. now like this, or like this little Java thing here, like flash for a second, and then it will quit, and then files will come up. Let it do its thing. This is Minecraft server here. You're getting very close to finishing it, so it just pops up, quits, then it comes up with this. This is very important. We have server.properties, logs, and u.text, which are the three most important things. But this is not the only stuff we have. To get the rest of the files, which will allow us to actually start our server and all that, we need to agree to the EULA. I basically don't know what the EULA is. It's, I think, Mojang's, like, it's like its accepting system. So here it says ULOT false. You want to just go right here, change the ULOT to true. That basically means that you agree to the terms and conditions of Mojang of creating a server. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. So yeah, type in true. You have to save this. Save. You have to do that and then close it. And now open up the Minecraft underscore server.1.8.8.jar file again, once again, and now it will pop up and tons of stuff will start loading. You guys will see. This is where all the files come in. This is what we're gonna need comes in. I can close up terminal. Oh, actually, let's leave that. Yeah. If my thing loads, that would be great. We'd all be happy if it loaded. It should be way faster on your thing. For some reason, it's just moving a bit slow on my thing. So sorry about that. Okay, here we go. Java. Minecraft server once again. Now this is only for 1.8.8. There are other versions. Depending on what version Minecraft server 1. Whatever the heck. If you get Minecraft server 1.7.10, do the same thing and get the Minecraft server 1.7.10 version. You have a Minecraft server for 1.7.10. It just all depends on the jar file. Here you see bandIPs.json, all this EULA logs, user cache world, all that, and then this is basically your control panel area. This is where you will be able to opt players, type in a command and run it on the server, even type stuff in chat. It's basically an advanced way. It's an advanced version of like the Minecraft type area, like. But this will allow you to do special commands. This area. So you're gonna need this, and if you close this, then your whole server stops basically. So yeah. For some reason, it's taking so long to prepare the spawn area that I don't get. It usually speeds through it on mine, but I have done this before. This is a file. So let's take some time to look at this. Now, before touching any of this, you have to stop your server. So let the spawn area load, and once that's done, type in stop like this. Stop. Once it's done, I'm going to type in stop, so that then, as soon as you type in stop, all this will close down. Do not close this like that by pressing the X, because it will not officially close down your server. It will mess it all up. You have to type in stop, and then it will officially close down all the files. That's when you can start editing all of this. I'm going to show you how to edit all of this, and then after we'll get into the port forwarding. So it does make it a bit harder when you port forward, and it all depends on your Wi-Fi / internet connection. There's also IP stuff you're gonna have to deal with. Anyway, you just I'll be back. I'll be back in a sec when it's prepared the spawn area. Right, so guys, back into this. It's done. It's prepared the spawn area. It took me like another, I'd say 30 seconds, so it's really not a big deal. Now, remember what I told you before. Do not close it. After this is done, do not go on your server. You will not even be able to. You must type in stop, like that. Press enter. It'll save it, and it will officially close up the files. Watch. The files are now going to close down. This is going to disappear. It's going to shut down the Java, which is this is all what's running your server. So it's going to stop that, shut it down. So yeah, as you can see, this is the percentage that's free. Yeah, 29%. That's a lot of percentage free actually. So yeah, there you go. It closes it up. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, this is the most important thing in your server. It's server.properties. You're going to want to open this up. Text edit. Or whatever text file you have. Boom! Opens it up. This is what you're going to want to do now. So, you're going to want to change settings however you want. Do you want to enable command blocks? For example, I would like to enable command blocks. You can change all of this even more down. So, yeah. But the most important thing, the thing I'm going to be showing you guys today, is the server IP. If you don't know what an IP is, the IP here is what you type in. You see there's an IP section, you type it in. So for Mineplex, it's us.mineplex.com. For us, it's going to be code, or you can get online, you can change it. I'm not going to show you that in this video, I might do it in another video, I'm not sure. But it's just easier to do code with in letters, and not letters, numbers, sorry. So your computer has a IP. That's the IP we're going to have to type in here for the server to run again. Now, even if you try to open this up again, it will not let you open it up. You know why? Because you haven't put in your server IP. You need to put your server IP for the computer in. I'm going to show you how you get your IP right now. You're going to the Apple sign, System Preferences, or just type in here, or just type System Preferences in here and you can get it to there. Either way, go into Network. No, sorry, I put it in Sharing. No. Network, here we go. Boom. And here, let me show you, it says Wi-Fi is connected to Livebox, whatever the heck your connection is, and has the IP address, blah blah blah. Now, every IP address in the world is different, okay? So it will not look like this. Your IP will not look like this. So you just want to go Command C. And where it says, what does it say? IP, it should say server IP, server-IP. There we go. Just copy and paste the IP into there. And remember, after you've done all the editing on here, you have to save the file. Close it back up. You can get rid of this now. And boom. Now if you launch it back up, it'll work. But in my case, since I'm going to touch you how to port forward, don't do that yet. Do not do that yet. This is where the port forwarding comes in. Right. Now, this is probably the most complicated. Well, it's not complicated at all, actually. It's really easy. The whole thing is easy. But it's probably the most a bit interesting, confusing bit. But don't worry, it's actually really easy. So, this is what you do. You have to go back. Sorry about closing that. Don't close up your system preferences, guys. I closed it up. Do not do that. Go into here. Boom. And you see, if you go into Advanced, right here, go into TCP/IP. Now, here we have the IPv4 address, which is the normal IP, which is the one we typed in before. Normal. The subnet mask, you really do not need to worry about that. But this is the router. The router is like your public internet IP. Now, this is what we're going to be using. You're going to need to type in your root router. So mine is 192.1.9. Oh, okay. It basically already does it because I've already been on. So type it in. Bada bing, bada boom. Now you will not necessarily have this page. I have a Livebox as an internet. My internet connection is Livebox. You may have an Asus Wi-Fi, whatever, depending on whatever Wi-Fi. Anyway, at whatever point when you join, it will ask you for a username and a password. These are usually actually, I'll put a link in the description to all the port forwarding defaults for every different Wi-Fi connection. My default is admin, and then you have to put in the first 8 numbers of the Wi-Fi password. It will not be like that for you. It will probably just be admin or password default, except it might be changed. So yeah, if you're a kid, ask your parents about that. Or you can also find it in your manual. I believe the default IP. So, and then minus. There we go. Boom. So I am now connected. Let me just put this in English for you, so you actually understand. Go into Advanced Settings. Go into NAT/PAT, or it will say port forwarding on the side, and you'll see it'll either say port forwarding on the side, or it'll have a NatPack section like this, whichever. Once you're here, now this is basically what I use. So I already have a server that's been done like this. So I have server Minecraft, internal port, external port, protocol both, and this is the computer that's being run off, which is the computer I have right now. That's not my name, by the way. That's just so you know, my name isn't Annabelle, and it's Joseph. It was originally my mom's computer, but she gave it to me. So yeah. Anyway, moving on. That really doesn't matter. So this is what you need to do. You're going to want to go into new ... Name it whatever you want. In this case, we're naming it Minecraft server. Bada bing, bada boom. Internal port. You're gonna want to type in 25565. 25565. Here, you're also gonna want to type in 25565. Protocol, you want to go into both, and then choose whichever computer you are on, which is obviously the computer you're running on. I'm on this computer, for example. Save it. Okay, I can't save it because I've already got exactly the same thing here, but once you've saved it, you'll have this, and remember, it has to be ticked in the activate section. Has to be ticked, okay? Do not delete it, it has to be ticked. I can't save it because it's exactly the same as this one. This is, you know what I mean. So you'll have it, and that's basically that. You can then, for example, just to show you, to prove to you that it works, go into DHCP, go back to NatPack, boom, still there, does not move. Just remember it's activated. You want to activate it. When you go on your server, activate it basically. So yeah, guys, that's that, I guess. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more content. So yeah, guys, it really is that easy. And yeah, as always, peace out. How's it going, guys?